In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Webull Watchlist. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a brand new watchlist in Webull Desktop and add the stocks you care about, so you can track prices and moves at a glance without digging through charts every time. First, open the Webull Desktop app on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you're on the desktop platform, since that's what we're using here. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a moment to load your layout. This ensures all your panels and widgets appear correctly before we start. Next, locate the Watchlists panel. In many layouts, you'll find it on the left side of the screen. If your layout looks different, check the top menu for a Watchlists tab or a section that says Watchlists. The exact placement can vary depending on your version or custom layout, but you're looking for the area that displays a list of tickers and their prices. To create a new list, look for the watchlist name near the top of that panel. Click the drop-down arrow beside it. From the menu that appears, choose Add Watchlist or Create New Watchlist, depending on your version. A small window will open asking you to name your list. Give it a clear, memorable name that reflects what you plan to track. Something like tech, dividends, or day trades often helps keep things organized as your lists grow. After naming it, click Save. You should now see your new, empty watchlist selected in the panel. Now let's add stocks to this watchlist. Inside the watchlist panel, click the plus add symbol button. In some layouts, you'll see a plus icon near the list name. Both do the same thing. Start typing the ticker symbol, such as AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla. As you type, Webull shows suggestions. Click the correct stock from the list of suggestions to add it instantly to your watch list. If you're unsure of the exact ticker, begin typing the company name and select the right match from the results. Repeat this process for each stock you want to track. As you add symbols, you'll see them appear with live price data and change indicators, giving you a quick snapshot of market action in one place. Your changes save automatically, so you can switch between lists using the same drop-down anytime. That's all there is to it. Open Webull Desktop, find the Watchlists panel, create a new list, name it, and add your symbols. With that, your personalized watchlist is ready to use.